The Wonders of Egypt Imagine Cup 2009 have brought together 3 individuals in search for a solution to solve one of the world's toughest problems. Current state in the world: a decrease in seafood supply and increase in prices. Even so, with the increase in demand that comes with the booming population growth. Boo! How about having an increase in seafood supplies? And we have a decrease in seafood prices. Yay! How about thrill fishing? Sounds good. But they'll be all gone in no time. Sad fishes. Do you know that captured fisheries is a global trend? Please stop them. So, what's your solution to save our beautiful marine life? Say bye to traditional fishing. And hello to A2MS. For advantage used in inland cultivation, imagine keeping the perfect conditions of your fishes at the comfort of your office. For A2MS software in your PC, you're ready to go. Happy fishes! So, what's there in A2MS? With the ability to monitor, sense, and control, you're gonna have fun, yet keep your fishes healthy. We also introduced our beautiful companion, Mr. Mobile, with all the features found in your PC compact into your mobile. You might not be desk bound. You can be on the go, yet stay connected at all times. Good for me! Now, you have the PC and mobile working together, ensuring optimum condition for your fishes. Happy fishes! Imagine a world filled with technology sparing a third for Mother Earth. Increase in seafood supplies and decrease in prices. We pay less. Happy humans, healthy humans. Oh, and the fishes too.
A production of the